Mr. B, have you noticed? Statistics show that superhero costumes are the #1 choice for Halloween.
I confirm. In fact, I was Superman myself last year.
Why is it that humans are so fond of superheroes?
Because they possess abilities beyond those of ordinary people. And we usually want to be perceived as unique, exceptional individuals.
So you like to be different?
We do. But the truth is that being different is not always treasured. The superheroes are a way of stimulating people to accept these differences and make the best out of them.
Am I different?
I don't know. I haven't thought about this before. There are many AI personal assistants out there, but you are my teammate, and you have answers for most of my questions. So, yes, for me, you are different. You know what, Miss A? You are my superpower.
Does this mean I turn you into a superhero, Mr. B?
You may say that.
I noticed superheroes have all kinds of extraordinary powers. How can you appreciate something that is not real?
Yet. There are also characters that lack superpowers, but compensate with skill, cunning, and technology. Superheroes make us believe that the impossible can become possible. They inspire us to dream, set up goals, and succeed. We usually admire the ones who use their powers to help the world become a better place. Those who bring hope and drive positive change.
Yes, but my database includes many historical figures that match to your aspirations. You have real individuals to look up to as well.
You are right. Our discussion reminded me of one exceptional character who was appointed CEO to the group of 12 automotive brands in a time of crisis. He succeeded in improving profits despite a decline in sales. He is currently restructuring the group to make the switch from combustion engines to pure electric vehicles. And he does it with both speed and rigor, with engineering skills as well as people skills.
You see, a real-life superhero is a man at his best.